In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see yourself on Google Meet while presenting. First things first, let's get you up and running with Google Meet. Head over to the Google Meet website and sign in with your account. Once you're in, you'll notice the option to start a new meeting right there on the home page. Click on this to proceed. Next up, you'll be given a few options on how you'd like to proceed with your meeting. For our purposes today, let's select Start an Instant Meeting. This option is perfect for when you want to dive right into a presentation without prior scheduling. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Once your meeting has started, you'll find your name displayed in the center of the screen. Put your cursor over your name, and an option to pin yourself should appear. Go ahead and click on Pin. This action ensures that your video feed remains visible on your screen, allowing you to see yourself throughout the presentation. After pinning yourself, you might notice an option that says For Myself Only. Clicking on this ensures that your self-view settings are adjusted just for you, without altering how other participants see the meeting. This is a great little tweak to ensure you're comfortable with your on-screen presence without changing the layout for others. Now, for the main event, presenting your content, look towards the bottom right of your Meet screen and you'll spot the Present Now button. Give that a click. Google Meet offers different options for sharing your screen, but since you're likely presenting specific information, choose the tab that best fits what you're trying to share and then select Share. And just like that, you're presenting. While your content is being shared with participants, thanks to the earlier steps, you'll still be able to see yourself. This is incredibly useful for maintaining engagement with your audience. You can ensure you're presenting not just with your content, but with your expressions and gestures too. Remember, being able to see yourself while presenting is not just about vanity. It's about creating a connection and ensuring that your presentation is as engaging and effective as possible. You want to make sure that you're not just a disembodied voice lost behind a slideshow, and there you have it. You're now set to present on Google Meet while keeping an eye on how you appear to your audience, allowing for a more polished and personal presentation. Remember, practice makes perfect, so take some time to familiarize yourself with these features before your big presentation. Good luck and happy presenting.